Excuse me, Mr. Neuron, do you need anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Everyone knows neurons, the fundamental units of our nervous system that regulate our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors by sending electrical messages to each other. They are the reason we're able to operate. But what allows neurons to operate? The answer is glial cells. Named for their function as the glue of the nervous system, glial cells are the unsung heroes that provide support for neurons and carry out a variety of functions that ensure that everything is able to work properly. There are 6 main types of glial cells. Some are found in the central nervous system, or the CNS, which is composed of the brain and the spinal cord, while others are found in the peripheral nervous system, which is comprised of the nerves that innervate the rest of your body. The first and most abundant type of glial cell is the astrocyte. Like the name suggests, astrocytes are star-shaped cells found in the CNS, known as the guardians and housekeepers of neurons. Astrocytes regulate ion concentrations around neurons and provide them with nutrients, modulating neuron communication by forming what's known as an astroglial cradle around synapses and releasing gliotransmitters to control the strength of action potentials. They also remove any excess neurotransmitters. But perhaps their most important function is their role in helping to maintain and regulate the permeability of the blood-brain barrier, which protects the brain from harmful substances and filters out toxins while allowing in necessary nutrients. They're really a cell of all trades. Next are microglia, which are also found in the CNS. Microglia function as the macrophages of the nervous system, identifying and engulfing harmful pathogens through phagocytosis. They are the brain's immune cells. The third type of glial cell are oligodendrocytes, which are responsible for forming the myelin sheath or fatty insulation that wraps around the axon of a neuron and speeds up the transmission of electrical signals, allowing for a process called saltatory conduction. This is when the electrical signal is able to jump between the nodes of Ranvier, which are the gaps between the myelin sheath. Without oligodendrocytes, neuronal communication would be significantly slower, leading to degenerative diseases like multiple sclerosis. Finally, in the CNS are ependymal cells. Ependymal cells line the ventricles of the brain and secrete and circulate cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, which is what cushions the brain and prevents it from bouncing around inside your skull like a bouncy ball. CSF and ependymal cells also maintain homeostasis in the brain. Now, what about the PNS? Inside the peripheral nervous system, we have Schwann cells, which essentially perform the same function as oligodendrocytes, except in the PNS. Understanding glial cells completely changes how we see the brain. Glial cells remind us that the most important systems are often the ones that are overlooked. So the next time you're deep in thought, remember not just the neurons that power your brain, but also the glial cells that support it from behind the scenes.